Hi guys, I Aziz welcome you to CoedMaster, and in this video I am going to talk about how to filter a stream in Java. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright guys, let's begin this video. So guys, let's assume that we have a collection of strings, and in this collection we have a string of 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's assume that I want to find a count of a string which has exactly 3 characters. As you can see over here, we have two strings of exactly 3 characters, 1 and 2. So the output should be 2. Now the question over here is, how can we achieve these using streams? So let's see it. So first of all, we have a collection of a string, and to use a stream, first we have to convert this collection of string into a stream of a string. Okay. So in order to convert collection of a string into a stream of a string, we have to call strings dot stream method. Okay. Now this method converts the collection of a string into a stream of string. Okay. Now what's next? So as we are not interested in this string, rather we are interested in count of character of this string. So this means we have to map this string to a count of character of this string. And how can we do it? Using map method of stream API. Now this map method takes a function as argument, which is used to operate on all of this string to transform this string into an integer, and that integer represents the count of character of this string. So let's give it a function, and this function takes a string as argument and give us a string dot length. So finally we have mapped a stream of a string into a stream of integers, and here this integer represents the count of character of these strings. Okay, now so far so clear. Now the next task is to filter out all the string which has more than 3 characters, right? So in order to filter this stream of a string, we have to use filter method of stream API. Okay. Now this filter method is used to discard all the elements we are not interested in, or we do not want to process that elements through stream. Okay. So if you look at this method, you will see that this method takes a predicate as argument. And what does it mean by predicate? Predicate is also a function that takes one argument and return boolean as a result. Okay. Now as predicate is a functional interface, we can pass lambda expression to it. Okay. So now here is a catch. So till this point we have a stream of integer, and this integer represents a length of character of all the string. So obviously in this method, in this lambda expression, we are going to get length of all the string. Now how are we going to filter all the string? We are only interested in a string which has exactly 3 characters. Okay. So how can we check this? We can check like this, that if length is equal to 3. So if length is not equal to 3, we simply want to discard all the strings from the processing. Okay. So this means we just want to process all the string which has length exactly equal to 3. Okay. We can also get rid of these braces from here. So till this point we have a stream of string, we have a stream of integer, and here also we are going to get a stream of integer. So as I explained in previous videos that a stream should have one source. So here string is the source, this collection is acting as a source. Then we have intermediate operation, that is map, and this map is used to map this stream into this stream. And then we again have one intermediate method, that is filter method. Okay, and this method is used to filter all the string one by one. So up to this point, the stream is not going to process any element of this collection. And why is it so? Because all of these operations are intermediate operation. Terminal operation, it's not going to process the elements. So let's add one terminal operation, and this terminal operation is going to be the count method. So the count method is used to count all the elements, that is a string which has length exactly equal to 3. So as soon as we attach the count method to this stream, it's going to process all the elements one by one. It picks up first element from the source. It will pass this first element to this map method. This map method transforms the string into a length of a string. Then this length is passed to this filter method. The filter method checks if the length is equal to 3 or not. If it is not equal to 3, it will simply drop that string. And then after filter method, the count method is going to count number of elements which is written by the filter method. Okay. and in return we are going to get a count of a string which has length exactly equal to 3. So it's going to return long instead of integer. So let's call long. Okay, so far so clear. Now if we print this count on the screen, you will see that it will print 2 on the screen, and you can see that there are 2 strings whose length of character is equal to 3. So guys, this is how we can filter a stream using filter method of the stream API. So I hope now you have a clear understanding of how to filter streams in Java. If you learned something valuable from this video, then hit the like button in order to make YouTube algorithm happy. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so my friend you never miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.